Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to collect quality timbers for the sand sculpture base in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to go to the workbench and then I'm going to select this item. I'm going to make two. And here you'll see quality timber. This is one of the crafting materials we need to prepare. And if you want to collect it, you can just find a tree, and if you're lucky, it will give you the quality timber. But I would like to recommend you to go to the forest because your chance to get quality timber is higher. Okay, let's try this tree. Okay. Oh, I got one quality timber. So yeah, just go to the forest and look for this kind of tree and you will get quality timber. Okay guys, and that's how you can get quality timber for the sand sculpture base item in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.